In this video, I'm gonna transform these 2 pieces of pork steaks into something looking like this. Welcome back to another video, guys. I'm so happy that you're here with me on Stir Taste Adjust today, because we will be making apple glazed pork steak. If you are one of those persons who love pork and you want your pork to be well seasoned and flavored, well, this recipe is for you. The first thing we're gonna do is to prepare some dry rub, and this dry rub has spices and herbs. And let me tell you this, you're gonna be using this dry rub on all pork recipe that you're making, because it is that good. So we need marjoram, we need garlic granule, we need some ginger, clove, and this is the ground clove, chili pepper, sage, thyme, smoked paprika, onion powder. We need some parsley. I'm using dried parsley, and some salt, of course. Mix it all together, ensure that it's all combined. And guys, this is the dynamite, the ultimate dry pork rub that I'm gonna use to season these 2 pieces of pork steaks. I'm pouring it on both sides. And just put it together with some olive oil. Once your pork is seasoned, let it marinate for a few hours so the seasoning can seep into the meat, and that's where we're gonna get our flavor from. I'm gonna let mine marinate overnight, but if you don't have time and say you wanna cook it in 30 minutes, use a fork to just poke holes all over the surface of the pork, and this will allow the seasoning to seep in quicker. In a pot, I'm adding some olive oil. Guys, olive oil is not the right choice for searing meat because it has a low heat point, and shortly you're going to see a lot of smoke coming out of this pot. So I would recommend you use peanut oil, vegetable oil, or sunflower seed oil. That's perfect. But because olive oil is what I have, that's what I'm going to use. So this is what the pork looks like, and I'm adding it to the pot, and I'm going to sear it 4 minutes on both sides. Guys, this piece of pork is very thin and I don't want to dry it out. As you can see, we have activities going on. It's 4 minutes, so I'm going to flip it and I'm going to let the other side just sear for the same amount of time. So I'm finished searing both pieces of meat. Now I'm going to work on getting the glaze ready. So I'm using about 5 cloves of garlic. Pork loves garlic. And I'm going to saute this together with some more olive oil and butter. Once the garlic becomes fragrant, I'm going to add some honey to this. Guys, I'm going to leave this on the stove to do its thing, and I'm going to prepare the apples for the apple juice. In this blender right here, I have 2 apples that I blend with a tux of water, and I'm going to simply strain it through this mesh strainer in a bowl, and I want all the juice. This apple juice is what I'm going to use for my glaze. I'm adding some more of that dry rub. and some of this chili paste, and I'm going to leave this on the stove on low heat to become thick and sumptuous. Guys, this is the consistency I'm looking for. This is perfect. Now I'm going to arrange the seared pork in this baking pan. Just add that excess juice, and now I'm going to add the glaze. I'm going to put this in the oven to broil at low heat or medium heat, just for some color, because this is already perfectly done. And guys, I'm gonna garnish with some chopped parsley. It is that simple. So guys, yeah, I showed you the preview earlier of what it looks like inside. There it is. It is super juicy. It is soft. It literally melts in my mouth. It is that soft. And the flavor, if I could eat the bone in this piece of pork steak, I would. It was seasoned to the bone. It was so delicious. You can have this with rice, pasta, fried dumpling, whatever your choices are, or in a sandwich. Man, the options are endless. So I hope that you did enjoy this recipe, and I have a lot more up my sleeve. Remember to subscribe if you are new, and smash that bell icon so you won't miss out on the videos that I post. Until next week, what good. Peace.